Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a 5 simple crafts. First we will make a flower with the shopping cover. Take the cover and cut the upper part of the cover. Fold the cover like this. Cut it along with the scissors. I have cut it and made some pieces. Fold it in this method. I have folded it like this. Now take a thread piece and tie it along with the folded cover. Cut the leftover thread. Cut the upper part as a flower shape. I have cutted the both part. Make it as a flower shape. Pull the cover one by one outside. After pulling, your flower looks like this. You can make this flower in any size. The second one, I am going to show you an easy pen holder. For this, I am taking a tissue paper roll and the white thread. You have to cover the tissue paper roll with the white thread. After keeping the thread, it looks like this. Now take a black foam sheet and cut into one strip. Now take this strip and stick it on the upper part of the holder. Keep the strip on the down part also. You can design it in any way as you like. Here I am giving a smiley face. You have to keep the round cardboard at the back. Then now it's ready. The third one I am going to show you is a cute mini notebook. For this we need an A4 sheet and fold it as many times shown in the video. You have to cut it and make as a book. For the covering, I am taking another A4 sheet and cutting into the same size. For designing, take a pink sketch color and color on the plastic cover. You can use different shades of pink. Now take some water and sprinkle up of it. Take the paper and place it over it. So you get a watercolor effect. I have also added blue to the sides. You have to keep it for drying. Then you can use it for covering. Take the stapler and staple the both sides. If you want, you can write mini notebook also, and your mini notebook is ready. The fourth one I am going to show you is how to make this simple and easy flower. I am taking blue and red color paper. Fold it as shown in the video. Draw a petal using your pencil. Now cut it with a scissors. I have got these many pieces. Now take the blue and fold it as the same. Draw a bigger petal than the red and cut it out. Stick the red up of the blue with a glue. Similarly, I have made 5 petals. Arrange it in a flower shape and stick foam paper above it. Your flower is ready. The fifth one I am going to show you is how to make this rose flower with foam sheet. Take your foam sheet and draw like this over it. Cut the drawing using the scissors. After cutting, remove the sticker and roll it. After rolling, your flower looks like this. These are the 2 flowers which I made. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.